How Daddy's phone.
I'm taking a video of you. Whose card is that? Who are you looking at over there?
How Daddy.
Who is that? Do you know who those people are?
What's that?
Yeah, who's that guy?
David.
It's David?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that?
Who else is on the card?
What's that?
Oh, that's kissing.
Yeah.
Who's that right there?
Okay.
That's Erica?
Kissing.
Who's Erica kissing?
What's that?
I don't know. What do you see?
What's that?
That's Erica and David.
David.
Yeah.
Uncle Carl.
There's Uncle Carl?
Yeah.
Yeah. They got married also.
That's Mary also.
Yeah. Who did Uncle Carl marry?
Tape.
He married Tape?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that?
That's Erica's dress. Do you like that dress? What do you think?
This one.
You wearing that? Is that your dress?
Yeah.
Yeah.